Joseba, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty is going to show you how to make pork cabbage roll. So come, let's join Aunty. Let's start. Okay friends, come, let's join Aunty do cooking. This one is minced pork, and the ingredient besides that, about 6 cloves of garlic, ginger, this one is shiitake mushroom, and this one carrot already chopped fine, and this is prawns or shrimps. I'm gonna chop this into pieces too, and I'm gonna mix it with pork later on. Besides that, I'm using shallot oil. These are all shallot already fried, and of course black pepper, sesame oil, and a little bit of fish sauce, of course salt and ajinomoto. So come, let's join Aunty do it. Cut it into pieces. This one, the shrimp, I already deveined. Crush a bit like this. Now Aunty start to mix all this. These are the shrimp. They are already chopped in pieces. Okay, mix into the pork. And the shiitake mushroom and carrot. Okay. A little bit of sesame oil. Okay, that's it, not too much. And some fish sauce. Fish sauce, you can use any brand you want. This is to remove the foul smell of the pork. And of course, these are salt. I just put 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, because I got put the fish sauce already, so don't make it too salty. Okay. Ajinomoto, 1 teaspoon is enough. Okay, mix it first. Okay, I'm going to grate the ginger. Because this is pork, we must put ginger. Also to remove the foul smell of the pork. And I'm gonna crush garlic. Six cloves of garlic, huh? You put more garlic, it tastes more delicious. Okay. The garlic in. Mix it well. If you want it more salty, you can add more salt, but mine is just enough. Okay, these are black peppercorn. Okay, this will do. Nice smell. And I'm gonna put the shallot oil and the shallot. This one is fried shallot. This shallot I deep fried with lard. Okay, that's it. This one is Shaoxing wine. I'm gonna put a bit of Shaoxing wine. Okay, that's it. Wow, nice smell. With this Shaoxing wine. Okay, mix it. And I'm gonna crush 1 egg. This is Sophia Kaffa. To combine the meat together. Okay, 2 spoons of this. No need too much. Stir and stir and stir until it's well incorporated. Now Auntie want to blanch this cabbage. I'm using long cabbage. 2 types of cabbage. This is normal round cabbage and this one is long cabbage. Just blanch it just for a while. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna wrap this pot. These are the minced pork. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I just do it like this. roll it up and slowly flip it like this. Okay, I'm using cabbage, round cabbage. All right, wrap it. Okay, that's it. And Auntie is going to improvise this. This is called century egg. I already removed the shell. So I'm gonna cut this. I cut it slowly. Into half like this. Okay, century egg in. Okay, then we wrap it. Okay, see that? So this is anti-twist. Little bit of twist with this century egg. It will taste good. Auntie start on to steam this for about, because this is meat, so maybe it will take about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, start the flame. Okay, this is how it's been wrapped with cabbage. Cover it and let it boil until it's cooked. Friends, this is the ending of my cooking just now. The pork cabbage roll and with a twist of century egg. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.